In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification in Roblox. So, if you want to make your Roblox account more secure and protected from hackers, I'll show you exactly how to enable it using your email address. So let's jump straight into it. First, open Roblox on your phone or computer and log into your account. Now open the Settings menu. On mobile, tap More and then select Settings. On PC, click the gear icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Next, go to the Security section. Before enabling two-step verification, make sure your email address is already added and verified on your Roblox account. If it isn't, go to the Account Info section and add your email address. Roblox will send you a verification email. Open your email inbox and click the verification link from Roblox. Once your email has been verified, go back to the Security section. Roblox will now give you different verification methods. You can choose email verification, authenticator app, or security keys depending on your preference. For most users, email verification is the easiest option. If you select email verification, Roblox will send a code to your registered email address. Now go to email, copy the code and paste it there. Now tap on Verify. Once verified. From now on, whenever someone tries to log into your Roblox account from a new device, Roblox will send a verification code to your email address. You'll need to enter that code before logging in. This adds an extra layer of protection and helps keep your Roblox account secure. And that's how you can turn on email two-step verification in Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tutorials and security tips.